if you are cooking chicken, meat, fish, in a double-sided pan. Then make sure to brush cooking oil on the surface of pan. After that, put the already marinated meat or fish into the pan. For best results, you should cook on low or medium flame. After each few minutes, you should flip the side of pan. After around 10 to 15 minutes, open the pan to check whether food is cooked or not. Generally, the water content in meat is enough to generate steam. However, if necessary, you can add some water in double pan during cooking. The excess steam will continue to discharge from the steam escape hole at the back side of pan. To make popcorns in double pan, after brushing oil on the surface, put corn seeds and close the pan. Within 3 minutes, the popcorn will be ready. To steam boil corns on the cob, put the corns and water into pan. Close the pan to cook the corn in steam. After around 10 minutes, water will steam out and soft and delicious corn on the cob will be ready to eat. You can also make French fries in this pan, either deep frying or steamed fries using a minimum oil. You can cook rice in a double pan using several methods. You can first fry vegetables and chicken in the pan and add spices as per your taste. Then add pre-boiled rice into the double pan. Now close the pan for steam cooking. You can easily detach the pan and use it to serve food on a dining table. Please find links in description to buy this pan from any country of the world. To keep the cooked food warmer for a longer time, you can temporarily close the back side hole of the double pan, by placing a little dough over it. You may get Dozro services to design your website, social media ad, stunning profile picture and more.